Okay, today we are discussing about the addition of radicals. So we have our first example here, which is 3 the square root of 5 plus 8 the square root of 5. 5 and 5 are obviously similar, so we proceed to copy it. Then we add 3 and 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. Then copy square root of 5, and here we have our final answer. Okay, let's move on. So we have here square root of 12 plus 5 the square root of 3. 12 and 3 are not similar, though you can take two factors of 12. One is a perfect square and one is not. So those factors are 4 and 3. Then you take the square root of 4, which is 2, then leave 3 behind inside the radical symbol. Now they're the same. Just like in the first example, copy first the square root of 3, then proceed to add 2 and 5. Why did I make the same mistake? I said 5, god damn it. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7. And that's our final. Okay, on to our next example. We have square root of 50x plus square root of 48x. Okay, similar to the second example, we just think of two factors. One is a perfect square and one is not. So, two factors of 50, one is a perfect square and one's not. It's 25 and 2. Same thing goes to 48x. One is a perfect square, which is 16, but one is not, which is 2. Now, again, similar to the second example, we put the square root of the perfect square, put it outside the radical symbol, then leave 2x, and leave 2x behind. There should be a 2x there, but okay. Anyway, 2, so copy the radical, which is 2x. Why did I not put it there? Then proceed to add 5 and 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. And that is not our final answer. I'm gonna squeeze it in there. Just gonna squeeze it in there. Just squeeze it in there. Okay. Okay. Now this is our final answer. Okay, on to our last example. We have 4 and the cube root of 3x plus the cube root of 81x plus 7 the cube root of 16y. I love my dogs. Okay. We must find two factors of 81. One is a cube, perfect cube, and one is not. So, two factors, one is perfect cube, one is not, is 27 and 3. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, I forgot to put the x. Okay. 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 Same thing for 16y. Find two factors, one's perfect cube and one is not. So those two factors are 8 and 2. Okay, that's okay. Let's imagine that's a y. Okay, let's proceed. Now, the same process follows. Get the cube root. Get the cube root of 27, which is okay 3. Then put outside of the radical symbol. Then leave 3x behind. So if you're wondering why it's 14, because I found the cube root of 8, which is 2, then multiplied it with 7, then 2 times 7 is 14. That's why it's 14. Okay, now we can combine the like terms. X cube root of 3x, 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then copy the radical, or radicand, which is the cube root of 3x, plus 14. Oops. 14 the cube root of 14 and the cube root of 2y. That's supposed to be a cube root. Okay, let me just fix that. Okay, it's now fixed. So, why is that the final answer? 3x and 2y is not similar, and they're not factorable, just like the previous examples. Okay, so that's why it's the final answer.